name is Sajini and I have created a digital clock program in Python. It's 10 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, it's 7 p.m., it's 8 a.m. That's what a digital clock shows. We have all seen a digital clock. I can make the same program in Python, you know? Let's run it right now. Cool, isn't it? How did this happen? I have imported all the packages of Tinker using the star. When you've made a screen and you want to display something on the screen, you can use Tinker. The title I have given is Digital Clock. The computer should know which one is hours, minutes, and seconds. Hence, I have used configure. 1000, time is time frame. The font size, and typography are Arial, 35, and bold respectively. The background color is purple while the foreground color is yellow. I have instructed the program to anchor the numbers to the center. No clock, no problem. Python, the amazing digital clock. Ting ting. Thank you.